Hello everyone, thank you very much for visiting my channel, Anna Vanila Arts. I am Anna Vanila and would like to show you in this video my brand new hat. A hat that I've made a while ago, but obviously, yeah, I did it in spring, but obviously didn't have time to make a video, but I did my best today to make more videos for you to see as my subscribers. So this is a beret, a pink sweet pink beret. So it's large at the top, as you can see. It's stretchy, and this is the elasticated bottom that goes around your head like so. It's a hat that it's for warmer days, so it's not really a beret you wear in winter, because it's not as warm in it, because you've got this open work here as a pattern. And it's acrylic yarn that I've used for this project. This is the back of a hat. You can barely see the stitching here, stitch here. This is how it looks at the back, inside out, where I have stitched slightly with a needle like so. I have hidden the ends of thread, ends of yarn, acrylic yarn that I've used, and as you can see, fluffy bit is hanging here. And every time when you wear it, you know if this stitch is has to be at the back. So this is the back of a hat, and this is the front. I've made identical hat to this, but just in yellow color, which I'll be talking to you in the next couple of videos, which I also love. I think yellow looks stunning, especially on a blonde girl. It will be a nice contrast on the black hair if you've got black hair, if you're a brunette, and it looks equally as beautiful. As you can see, the front and the back, and the stitch is perfect as usual. I'm really happy that I've learned how to do this stitch. The stitch is called mattress stitch, which you sew it on the front, so you don't sew it on the back, from the back, but on the front, and that's why it's barely visible how the stitching happened here. And I think it's fantastic. This color pink is it just makes your day, really. And it will just go well even with pink lipstick. If you're a stylish girl, this would be fantastic accent as accessory for you. You can wear it with anything you wear, and it will look as stylish, as new, as perfect as it is. And I think it's a quite successfully made hat. It's a beret hat. As you can see, this is the top part, which I've done. It's all ends up being into one single knot here in the center. And I absolutely love this hat, and I think you can wear it even in cooler days in the summer, no problem. But I also plan to do a couple of hats for the summer, made purely from cotton yarn, which is more breathable, less warm in it, and you can wear it for summertime. This is obviously more for this is obviously is made more for spring, for autumn to wear when it's just slightly cooler but not too cold, and it's breathable, and acrylic yarn is washing very well. Usually you do it by hand for washing. Obviously it's a garment that you have to wash it by hand and be careful with the yarn. This way it will last you forever, this particular piece, if you look after it. And I absolutely love this open work here. As you can see, it's open work here. You see, you can see through slightly, and it's breathable also. I do love this hat a lot, so that's why I've made it, and I hope you like it too. And hope you can do a hat like so, and you're going to enjoy doing and wearing it like I would enjoy wearing this piece of hat. I hope I have inspired you to knit one like so, like this one, and see you soon in my next videos. Thank you very much for subscribing and for watching my videos. I've got more projects to show you soon, so please subscribe, and we can have more fun together watching what we do in our free time, space of time when we have at home and we knit. And I love this hat, so I hope you love it too. Please subscribe, please watch my videos, like my videos, and write to me what would you like me to do in my videos, and what you like and dislike in my videos. I would also be pleased if you leave comments below the video. So thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and see you soon in the next video. And I hope you liked this project. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.